answer was
Yes, ma'am.
oddly specific. Could
Yeah,
you
yeah.
share your screen with me?
Okay, ma'am. So you want to see my screen? I can share it to you. Yo. So yeah, ma'am. I have shared it. Can you see it? Hmm?
Thanks.
Yeah.
So, what's a hash table and why is it useful?
Okay. That's a very easy question because a hash table is a data structure that stores key value pairs. It uses a hash function to convert keys into an index in an array where the value is stored. And this allows for very fast data retrieval, insertion,